sound of Corny Creek Farms, don't you? Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Dave McDonald, the head cornball here on Corny Creek Farms. Hey, we're going to do some fun drawing today. It's going to be a little bit different. But before we even get started with our drawing, I did want to share a little fun activity with you. So this is what you can do with just a couple pieces of paper and a pencil. Let's say you're on your way on a vacation or something. You hop in the car and you've got some paper and pencil. Take a couple pieces of paper like this, just a couple plain pieces, and stack them together, line them up, and do this. Fold them in half this way. Line it up, make sure it's even, and once it's even, go ahead and make that crease. All right, so now it looks like this. Then what I want you to do is turn it like this so you have the fold right here, the crease, okay? And just make a little tear in the crease right there in that little fold. Move up a little bit, make another tiny little tear. Move up a little bit more, small tear, and move up a little bit more, small tear in the paper. Now do this. Fold this little tab, make a little tab out of it and fold it away from you. Then with this one, fold it toward you. All right. Then with this one, fold it away from you, like this, and so on, back and forth toward me, and then away from me, all the way down the length of that fold. Then when you get done, what you're left with is this, and you can make your own comic book in the back seat of the car. How's that? Look, you can make a multi-page comic. Don't even need a stapler. Now, who has a stapler in the car? I certainly don't. But you can make a fun little comic, maybe a vacation comic. So you're going on vacation, maybe you kind of make a comic of what you do every day. Like so. Let's see this. My vacation comic. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see, my vacation comic, page 1. We're not even out of the driveway yet, and Dad's upset. Ever hear that one? There's a story for you. Oh my, yes. So what we're going to do now, we're going to do some drawing together. All right, let's go to our little drawing camera. There I am. I've changed into a cartoonist here to help you draw. What we're going to do today, normally we just draw a character based on some simple shapes. Today we are going to be doing some drawing, but there's a different objective. Today, it's kind of a puzzle drawing. So in other words, we're going to do a drawing, and then the drawing actually means a word or a couple of words. And if you're not sure what I mean, we'll get started with this first one. We're going to do 2 drawings on this piece of paper, and when we put them together, it creates something that you would be familiar with. It's a 2-word thing or object. All right, so here we go. On this side of the paper, we got 2 sides of the paper. On this side, let's see, we'll start with, like a circle shape. And if you've been drawing with me right along for many weeks, you know that I make simple shapes. Let me set up this little extra light in case you can't see that very good. There we go, a little extra light. I use simple shapes to kind of build a framework for my characters. So very lightly with your pencil, couple of circles stacked almost like a snowman. And what we're going to do is create a body shape out of that. I do need another, like a tiny oval out there to the side. So now you have 2 circles with a little small oval sticking out there. And these 3 shapes will make up the outline of the character. All right. So what we do is we come around like this. Can you tell what it is? What if I did this and put 2 little nostrils right there? And what if I did something like this, triangle? Yep, it's a little piggy. It's a pig, right? So we'll give him some eyeballs with some oval-shaped eyes there. He's got a smile. And again, normally I ink all these, but with today, being a little bit different, I might not have time to ink because we're doing like puzzle drawings. Okay, so erase those simple shapes that we started with. So we've got the body of a pig here. All right, maybe we make that a little flatter on the bottom. All right, a pig would have a curly Q tail, right? And he would have, would see one foot down here. Just make an oval shape like this. And watch how we turn that into a little foot. Okay? Maybe we'll give him the little toes on the end. All right, and for an arm, let's see, just a couple of lines like this. And at the end, put a circle and just create one finger, 2 finger, 3, and up to there. When you erase that oval, there's his hand at rest along the side. Okay, so maybe he's got a couple sprigs of hair. There's our little piggy. All right. Standing in the grass, but I bet you there's a big old mud puddle over here, right? I always like to play in the mud for some reason, wallow in the mud, maybe to keep cool, right? Especially in the summer heat. Got all this mud all over him. Okay, so there he is. On this side of the paper, here's what we're going to do. We're going to use some very simple, basic shapes. Rectangles, squares. So let's do kind of a square like this. On the top of the square, a rectangle. Okay. And let's see, maybe a doorway. Okay, it's going to be a building. Yes, it's a building. There's a doorway here, and it's glass, so you can put those little lines on the, like this, to indicate that reflection. Here's the handle to the door. Right, here's maybe a sign above the door. And what we can do, if it's a building, on the corners of the building, sometimes you see little bushes. So use your curved lines and create some bushes. Like that. See that? A little grass at the bottom. All right, now we've got a pig, we've got a building. Now what we're going to do, watch this, a circle up here. Instead of writing the name of what the building is, I'm just going to put a symbol in there. So what do you think with that symbol, the money symbol, what do you think that building is? That's right. That's right. It's a bank. The First National Bank, right? So this drawing plus this drawing equals what? That's right. Piggy bank. Yes. Piggy bank. These are fun to do with your friends. Draw them and ask them to guess what you're creating with 2 drawings, kind of a puzzle drawing. Again, it's one drawing plus another creates something else. An object, a thing, a person, a place, anything. Guess the picture, right? Piggy bank, right? We didn't draw a piggy bank, but we took those 2 words and drew each of them separately. Piggy plus bank, piggy bank. See how that works? Awesome. Let's do one more. Well, these are kind of fun. And you can think of your own ones too. So that one was piggy bank. Let's see. What do I want to do now? Oh, I know. This plus this equals this. Okay, this drawing is going to be on this side. I'm going to start with, it's a circle shape as the basis. Can you try to guess what I'm drawing here? Are you guessing it yet? What does it look like to you? All right, I think you probably know what it is. That's right. Because here comes the baseball. See that? Right? Catcher's mitt with a ball coming at it. Okay, catcher's mitt with a ball. All right, let's see. And then let's just do a symbol. Triangle shape. Rectangle shape. This plus this. Catcher's mitt plus arrow. Catcher's mitt, arrow. No, it's not catcher's mitt. What is the catcher's mitt doing? It's catching. Catch. Catch. Arrow. No, arrow's pointing up. Ketchup. Ketchup. Get it? Awesome. See how that works? Did you get it? Catch up. These are fun to do. Just, again, little activity you can do in the car. You can do with your friends. See if they can guess them. It's just something that's a lot of fun. And again, those little mini folding comics you can also do, right? Just for something to, especially if it's related to a vacation that you take, or even a diary, a journal that you keep every day. You can just make it simple as that without even having to staple all these pages together. Just create your little mini comics that way. All right, hope you had fun today doing our puzzle drawings and creating our little mini comic. We'll see you the next time here on Corny Creek Farms. All right, until next time, stay safe, be well, and have a great day. All right, my friends.